Hey, what is good, YouTube? Child FX here, man. Hey, listen, before we dive into the charts, I just want to let you all know that, hey, I'm here to put you on game. For real, man. I ain't capping. I'm here to put you on game, alright? And also, this is my first time doing something like this. So, in case I fumble with some of my words, hey, kindly bear with me, alright? I promise to get better as time moves on, alright? So with that being said, let's get to business. So looking at GBP AUD, what was the thought process behind this trade? Why did I even take this trade in the first place? So first of all, what I needed to do was to identify my trend. And as you can see, we are in an uptrend. How do we know we are in an uptrend? So we first identify the structures of the market, all right, which is LH. Okay, LH stands for lower high. Okay, so we have our LH, we have our lower low right here, which is LL, which created a new higher high, which is HH. Okay, yeah, and we have a new higher low too right here, HL, which created a new higher high. My bad, which created a new higher high right here, HH. Okay, yeah. So this is our structure. So we are within this range. Price is trading within this range. Yeah, so good. Price is trading within this range. Trading within this higher low and higher high range. You get me? So what did I have to do? After I figured out my H4 trend, what did I do next? I went down to a lower time frame, which is the H1 time frame. So coming down to our H1 time frame, what do we do next? We did the same thing we did on the H4, which is we identify our structure again. Alright, so what's the structure on the H1? We have a lower high, a lower low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a lower high, a lower low. So after identifying our market structure, what else do we do next? We realize that our lower high, which serves as a support, became a what? A resistance. What did it do? It became a what? A resistance. Right here. So what did price do? When structure was broken, right? It came back to retest our previous support as a resistance. And after retesting as a resistance, what did it do again? It dropped. And after dropping, what did it do again? It came back to our resistance level to create a what? A double top. Y'all understand? It came back to create a double top, but this time around, after coming back to retest our resistance, it didn't just drop. It did something. What did it do? It rejected that zone about 3 times. It left us with an information saying, Mayday, Mayday, we are losing momentum, so we are going to drop. That's what price did. That's what price did. So after the closure of this bearish candle right here, what did that do? I knew price was going to drop. I know sellers were in the market. I knew price was going to drop. So what did I do? After the closure of that candlestick, I entered the trade. I entered on sales. Placed my stop loss right on top of this wick. My take profit right here. Alright? My take profit right here. And my first take profit right here. My first take profit right here. As simple as that. As simple as that. But before I took the trade, man, listen. Before I took the trade, let's go over my confluences, because I had to, combine a lot of things for me to get that confidence to enter this trade. So what are some of the things I had to put together? First tool was my Fibonacci. Look at what happened here. So I placed my Fibonacci on this lower high right here and moved it to my lower low right here. Okay. So when I moved it to my lower low, where the price retraced to 61.8 zone, where a lot of traders will say a golden zone or the golden zone. Okay. That was when the double top happened. That was the confluence. That was how I got the confidence that, okay, if this happen, if price has retraced back to 61.8 at that same level, it has created a double top. At that same level, price has rejected. At that same level, price has given us a confirmation candle. Then we are good, bro. We are going to drop. We are going to drop. So this confluence, or about this threefold confluence, gave me that confidence that I was right, that we was going to drop. Do you get my point? Yeah. So after I had combined all of these things together, that's what made me take the trade. That's what made me take the trade. As simple as that, man. As simple as that. So first of all, what do? We identify our structure. Second of all, our lower high became our resistance. Third confluence, we took our Fibonacci level, we took our Fibonacci to do it from point A to point B. We realized price retraced back to our 61.8 zone, which is in confluence with our support. Get me? Price created a double tap. On that same double tap, you can see rejections of confirmation candle. We can see rejections. On that same double tap, we find our confirmation candle. And that's what we take the trade. That's where we take the trade, baby. As simple as that. Get my point? Yeah, man. Hey, man, like I said earlier on, I'm here to put you on game for real, man. I know a lot of people out here still struggling. I know a lot of people out here still trying to find as much as information they can to help elevate their game, man. Those are the people I'm here for, man. So don't be selfish. Scroll down below, subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. Alright? Let me know the topics y'all want me to cover. And also, rate me from a 1 to 10. Since this is my first time doing something like this, man, I had to get out of my comfort zone to do this for y'all, man. So please rate me from a 1 to 10. Let me know how I did, alright? So with that being said, I'm out. China FX here, man. No cap.